Hindi kasi ako plastic na tao.
I agree with you, ma'am. That's
Senator Cayetano, nag-lunch na po ako. And I'm very cordial
yes,
when it
ma'am.
comes to international diplomatic relations. Gusto nyo i-discuss natin
No.
yung West Philippine Sea.
Yes.
But hindi kasi ako plastic na tao.
I agree with you, ma'am. That's why nga sinasabi ko po na hindi lang to legislative, political din. That's why you should be given the latitude to answer in the way that you feel it could be properly answered, di ba?
No, we are already okay with the approved budget from the Department of Budget. The approved proposed budget in the DEP from the Department of Budget and Management. And we leave it up to members of Congress to decide on the budget. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you to the Office of the Vice President.